Welcome back. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about unordered HTML lists. An unordered list starts with the UL tag. The UL tag means unordered list in HTML lists. Each list item starts with the LI. Each list item starts with what? The li tag. Definitely this ul doesn't work alone. It goes along with the li. So that's how it works. The list items will be marked with bullets, small black circles by default. As you can see, when you're having ul, your unordered list, then definitely you are going to have li after. When you're having the li after, you are going to have the bullet after it, the small circle bullet after it. This one, as you can see, we are having opening and closing ul tag and opening and closing li. Inside the opening and closing li, we are having our content. Inside our opening and closing li, we are having our content. We are having our list inside. So let me show you how it works quickly in our document. This is our code that we are having in our previous tutorial, and this is how it looks. And right now we want to start by writing unordered list. So in our document here, we had that an unordered list starts with ul tag, and also each list item starts with the li tag. That is, we are going to write the ul. After the ul, we are going to write li inside it. Definitely inside this, then we can write whatever we want to write. Let's say I want to write my names anwar. Right, let's save our document. Firstly, let's do something. Let's write the ul and see something here. When we write the ul, you see nothing is displaying yet, right? Let's now write the li and display. Can you see we're having a dot here, as you can see? So now let's get back to our document. Let's write anwar there. We are having anwar, as you can see. They said our unordered list starts with the ul tag. Each list item starts with the li. So so when we want to write our item, we can write it inside the li. But let's do something miraculous here. Let's say, for instance, now we don't want to use the li, we just want to write our name here. Maybe it will work. Let's save it. Can you see it works? But just because we want to have the, definitely just because we want to have the bullet, that's why we have to put the li at the front and at the left and right of our text. So when we save our document here, can reload our document, can you see we are having it? So definitely, because we need these dots, that's why we enclose our anwar with li. So let's continue our discussion. Let's now write, let's say we need to anwar akorede, right? And again we need li again, ayofe. Let's save our document and reload. Can you see we're having 1, 2, 3 along with what? 1, 2, 3 dots. So let's now get back to our document again. Let's say, for instance, now we want to write all this without this li. Let's say we want to write anwar akorede ayofe and save our document. Let's reload it. Can you see the display? But because we need it in li, let's say we want to enclose all this using what? Using li. going to enclose all this using li. Using li, they are going to have what? They are going to have bullet. As you can see, they are having the bullet. So I want you to understand this very well. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to meet you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And to the next.